Hi guys, in today's video I am going to explain nested loops. Nested loop means a loop within a loop is referred as nested loop. A loop within a loop is referred as nested loop. Referred as nested. It means a while within a while, like this. While of condition. In this while, we are going to write one more while. While of condition. Here set of statements. This while close, this while close. Or do while instead another do while. Okay. Is also loop statement. But in most cases, we are going to work with nested for. What is nested for? Nested for means a first statement within a first statement. I am writing a first statement. What is the syntax of for? For initialization. Semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment slash decrement. Okay, first for loop start. Here, in this for loop, I am writing statements. In this for loop, again I am writing one more for loop. For initialization, condition, again increment slash decrement. This is inner for, this is outer for. This is called inner for. This is called outer for loop. First, how this will be executed? What is the output of this program? Okay, when you are going to work with nested for, what is the output of the program? See, first you will take initialization, then check the condition. If the condition is true, okay, if outer for condition is true, then inner for condition is executed until the condition false. Again, it will go and check. Okay, increase the value or decrease the value. Again, check the condition. Condition is true. Again, inner for loop will be executed. Okay, inner for loop close, come out. Again go to outer for loop. Value increase or decrease. Again come to inner for loop. Again inner for loop will be executed repeatedly until condition is satisfied. Until condition become false. Okay. If I will explain like this, it is somewhat difficult to understand. I will explain the same with an example. I am taking two variables int I comma j. I am writing for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. Outer for started. For j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. Printf I equal to percentile d, j equal to percentile d, backslash n, comma I comma j. Inner for loop close, outer for loop close. What is the output of this program? Okay, if you understand this example, then clearly you can understand how inner for loops will works. How inner for loop will execute. What are the variables I am taking? I and j. Take two variables I and j. Initially, I did not store any value under I and j. What values are there? Unknown values, garbage values are there. Okay, I will write somewhat in larger font because it's like this. I and j. Initially, I did not store any value under I and j. What is the default value? Unknown value, garbage value or junk value. Come here. I equal to, okay, first you go to outer for loop. I equal to 1. What is the value of I? 1. Check the condition. I less than or equal to 3. What is the value of I? 1 less than or equal to 3 condition 2. Come to here. Now, inner for loop. Okay, if outer for condition is true, then inner for loop will be executed. Okay, go to inner for loop. Now, j equal to 1. J less than or equal to 3. What is the j value? J less than or equal to 3. Substitute j value 1 less than or equal to 3 condition. Okay, inner for loop condition true. Come here. Printf print I equal to printed. Percentile means what? Integer has to print. J equal to percentile means integer has to print. Comma I comma j. What is the value of I? I equal to 1 printed, j equal to 1 printed. Because of using slash n. What is the purpose of slash n? Normally cursor is here. Because of using the slash n, cursor will move to next line. Okay. Now this is what for loop close? Inner for loop close. This is outer for. This is inner for. When the inner for condition is closed, then go here. J plus plus. What is the meaning of j plus plus? J equal to j plus 1. What is the value of j? 1 plus 1. What is the value? Okay, 2. It is stored under the name j. Now j value will become 2. Okay. Check the condition. 2 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. True means again printf I equal to percentile means here we have to print integer. J equal to we have to print integer percentile d. Comma I comma j. What is the value of I? 1. What is the value of j? 2. Because of using slash n, cursor is moved to next line. Again what for loop close? This is inner for loop close. Again go here, either increase the value or decreasing the value. Here in this case we are increasing the value. J plus plus, j equal to j plus 1. What is the value of j? 2 plus 1. What is the value of now? Value become 3. Now j value become 3. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. What is the value of j? 3 less than or equal to 3 condition true. Again come here. Printf print I equal to percentile means integer. J equal to percentile means what? Integer. I comma j. What is the value of I? 1. What is the value of j? 3. 1 3 printed. Because of using slash n, cursor is moved to next line. Again what for loop close? Inner for loop close. Go to inner for loop increment and decrement. J equal to j plus 1. J equal to j plus 1 means substitute value of j 3 plus 1 4. Now j value become 4. Okay. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. Substitute j value. 4 less than 3 condition false. Come out from inner for loop. Okay. Next, this is what for loop close? Outer for loop close. When outer for loop close, go to outer for loop, increase or decrease the value. Here in this case we are writing I plus plus. What is the meaning of I plus plus? I equal to I plus 1. Substitute value, I value 1 plus 1. I value become 2. Where it is stored? Under the name I value become 2. Okay. Now check the condition in outer for 2 less than or equal to 3. I value 2 less than or equal to 3 condition. True. If outer for loop condition true, then inner for loop again executed repeatedly. Okay. Again go to inner for loop. Now again j value become 1. Okay. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. What is the value of j? 1 less than or equal to 3 condition true. If inner for loop condition true, go here. Printf I equal to percentile d integer. J equal to percentile d integer. What is the value of I? I value 2, j value 1 printed. Because of using /n, cursor is moved to next line. Again, what for loop close? Inner for loop close. When inner for loop closes, go to increment and decrement part of inner for loop. Okay, here j plus plus. What is the meaning of j plus plus? J equal to j plus 1. Substitute j value. What is j value now? 1 plus 1. That's why in starting class itself I explained. Use the boxes. J equal to 1 plus 1. Now j value become 2. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. 2 less than or equal to 3 condition true. True means come here. I equal to percentile d. Again j equal to percentile d. I equal to percentile d means integer we have to print. J equal to percentile d means we have to print integer. Comma I comma j. What is the value of I? 2. What is the value of j? 2 printed. Because of using /n, cursor is moved to next line. Again what for loop close? Inner for loop close. If inner for loop close means go and increase the value or decrease the value in inner for loop. Here we are increasing the value. J plus plus. J equal to j plus 1. Substitute value. J value 2 plus 1. What is the value of j? 3. Now j value become 3. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 3 condition true. True means come to here. Printf I equal to percentile d. I equal to integer. J equal to integer. What is the value of I? 2 comma j. What is the value of j? 3. /n go to next line. Again inner for loop close. Go and increase the value in inner for loop. What is the value of j? J plus 1. J equal to j plus 1. 3 plus 1. J value become 4. Again check the condition in inner for loop. 4 less than 3 condition false. Come out from inner for loop. Okay. After coming out from inner for loop, what close? Outer for loop close. If outer for loop close, go and increase value or decrease value in outer for loop. Okay, here we are increasing the value. If you write I plus plus, increasing value. Some cases based on our requirement, I can write I minus minus also. Go and if it is increment, increment it. Decrement means decrement it. Now what is there? I plus plus is there. What is the meaning of I plus plus? I equal to I plus 1. Substitute value. What is the value of I? 2 plus 1. 3. Where it is stored? Under the name I. Now I value become 3. Check the condition in outer for loop. I less than or equal to 3. What is the value of I? 3 less than or equal to 3 condition. Condition true means if outer condition is true, then you go to inner for loop, will execute repeatedly. Go here. Now again j value become 1. 1 less than or equal. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. 1 less than or equal to 3 condition true. Printf. True means go to inner for loop. Printf I equal to, okay, I am writing here, please see here. I equal to percentile D, I value 3, J equal to percentile 3, 1 printed, slash and go to next line. Again, inner for loop close. Again J plus plus. J value become now 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. True means again come here. Printf I equal to 3. J value 2. Slash and go to next line. Again inner for loop close. Again J plus plus. Check the condition in. J plus plus means J value become 3. Check the condition in inner for loop. J less than or equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. Printf I equal to 3. J equal to 3. I equal percentile D. J equal percentile D. Comma I comma J. I value 3. J value 3 printed. Slash and go to next line. Again J for loop close. J plus plus. Now J value will be increased. J value become 4. 4 less than or equal to 3 condition false in inner for loop. Come out from inner for loop. Next, what close? Outer for loop close. If outer for loop close, go to outer for loop increment or decrement section here. Okay, if it is increment, increment it. I plus plus. I value become 4. Check the condition in outer for loop. 4 less than or equal to 3 condition false. If outer for loop false, come out from the outer for loop. Okay. First it will go to initialization. Check the condition. If the condition is true, then inner for loop will be executed. That means I value become 1. J value will be executed from 1 to 3. If I value become 2, J will be executed from 1 to 3. If I value become 3, J will be executed 1 to 3. Okay? If outer condition is true, then inner for loop will be executed. Again go and check the condition. It is true. Again J for loop will be executed. Again go and check the increase the value. Check the condition. Condition is true. Again inner for loop will be executed. If outer for loop is false, come out from the program. This is way of working with nested for loop. The same way you can write nested while also, but based on the that means for the flexibility of the programmer. If you are going to use while, increment at one place, decrement, initialization at one place, condition at one place. The main purpose of introducing for loop is, if you are going to use for loop, initialization, condition, increment, decrement are at the same place. That's why they introduced for loop. That's why when they are going to work with for nested loops, mainly they will use nested for only. If you want to use nested while also, you can use, we have to write while inside while. Okay? This is regarding nested for. Please go through this video, comment, like, share and subscribe. If you are already subscribed, thank you. Please watch my videos. Thank you.